welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to incorporate a ship with me into today's Vlogmas because I haven't done one in I think like a month or two, and they're really popular on my channel and I love to help anyone just get some ideas for packaging your orders for Poshmark. It's just a side hustle for me, but I love doing it and I've been doing it for a couple years. It helped me through college, and so I thought it would be something chill and relaxing, and hopefully I'm not too blurry. I tried to figure it out. I had to throw my glasses on because I was like squinting. I have, what's it called? I'm nearsighted, so I can't see things far away. My camera's like back here, so I was like, oh, and it doesn't have manual zoom, or it has manual zoom, it doesn't have automatic zoom, so I have to do it all myself. So if some of my videos are a little blurry, that is why. And yeah, so fun facts with malls. So I have 4 things I sold this weekend. Very grateful. I actually, if you didn't watch Vlogmas Day 7, I did a thrifting road trip, so I'll link that in the cards, but you can also just go on my channel and watch it. I'd love it if you watch it. And I got that smart wool like pullover. I sold it already. I told you, if you find smart wool, it's not like super rare to find, but it is a little, I guess you could put it on your BOLO list, be on the lookout for list, is smart wool. It is a really quick flip. People like it. It has a good following, but it's really cute, very simple. And one of my things I do is I use a lint roller, and especially if the item is black, you'll feel my pain when you have to send out something that is black, because everything sticks to something that's black and it's annoying to have to deal with that. But it's worth it. It's kind of satisfying to like watch all the stuff come up. Mainly just random hairs and dusty particles or whatever. So I sold this. I sold a cabbie top from my grandma. And I sold a Free People item from my own closet that I bought, and I just didn't really like it on me. So I bought it off Curtsy, and then I resold it on Poshmark. And then I sold a Calvin Klein Performance sweatshirt that I got at the bins, and I didn't even notice it, but it has this huge like bleach stain on it. I don't know how that happened. I don't use bleach, so it wasn't from me, but I just didn't see it when I was picking it up. I'm sure a lot of you that shop at the Goodwill outlet know what I mean when you just come home and you're like, oh surprise, something is also ruined. So I bought a lot of Christmas paper, and I don't want to like use it because like not everyone celebrates Christmas, and I don't want to like send Christmas wrapping. I don't think that's like not professional, but like I just be careful like what tissue you use. I feel like using like a solid color like red isn't bad, unless if the item is like a lighter color, because it could bleed onto the item. But I'm just on a tangent, so I'm gonna use red because I have a lot of this stuff, and hopefully it's not too Christmassy. So, number 1, all I do so I don't use tape for my packages is, at least when I'm packaging up in tissue, is I just wrap it up and then I fold each side over and then roll it, and then it looks like a little sandwich, and you didn't have to use tape. You could use tape to like secure this, but it's fine. And I just wrap it with twine, which if you watched my other ship with me's, you probably know this, but I have twine, I have old t-shirt that I use, and old jeans that I use, which a lot of people have liked this actually, which is cool. And I have yarn, and then I just have like random ribbons and stuff, and I think this one's kind of cute, so I'm just gonna go with that. A lot of the ribbons are from like old bags, because I actually upcycle Victoria's Secret gift bags, or not gift bags, but just like their shopping bags as mailers for really small stuff, such as like a swimsuit top. I sold a lot of those kind of things this summer, and it was just, I didn't have like a small enough mailer, and I didn't want to waste like a big one on a swimsuit top, so I just did that, and I just make sure it's taped nicely. That was not my idea. I give the full credit to A Page Turned. She's on Instagram, and she thought up the idea, and it was amazing, and I was like, you go girl. So I have a thank you card. Slide that in. I don't buy my thank you cards like for full price at stores, not typically. I just get them at the thrift store. Even if they're ugly, I buy them because, I don't know, I have always liked giving out thank you cards. I think it's a nice little thing. So this is what it looks like. This is the little finished product. And then I have the free mailers from USPS. And this is a Tyvek mailer. Very nice. It's pretty durable. And it's kind of like not waxy, but it has like some type of like texture to it that it's pretty good. Pretty dang sturdy. And as I talked about in my last ship with me, these are awesome, also for free on the USPS website. I have a whole video on how to order free shipping supplies, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and I do print off the like order form thingy because it helps me know what sold. Sometimes I give it to them because it's actually meant for like a receipt kind of thing for your buyer, but I don't always include it. I do if they bought a bundle, just so that they know what they're getting and they can be reminded of what they bought. Also, I got questions about like what do I do if someone like orders a lot of stuff in one bundle. If you're selling a lot of bundles, that's awesome, first of all. But what you want to do is if they have like 10 things in a bundle, that's going to be too heavy for the 5-pound label, unless if it's like swimsuit tops, or you know, use your best judgment when you're filling out a bundle order. But I would just ask them to kindly split up their bundle, so buy like 5 items in one and then 5 items in the other, and split up the heavier items. If they're buying a bunch of shoes or something, those are going to be really heavy, and the Poshmark labels are for 5 pounds only, which is great for the price that you're paying. However, you can update the label or upgrade it, but it just comes out of your earnings. So I would just, you know, think about what the best option is for you and go about it that way. You can get boxes at the post office for free if you are in a pinch, or the Dollar Tree has some boxes that are pretty decent sizes, and you can reuse any box. You can use Amazon boxes for Poshmark, it doesn't matter, you don't need a special box. As long as it doesn't have old addresses or scan like barcodes on it, you're good to go. So this is what this one looks like. And I don't worry about like weighing my Poshmark orders because a lot of times it's just one piece of clothing. And I do reuse some packaging. So this is from TJ Maxx. These are great for shoes, but since I don't, if it's too like ripped up or gross, I don't reuse it, but sometimes it's nice as filler for shoes. After this, I'm going to go to the post office. Then I'm going to pick up my mom's gift. Mom, if you're watching, stop watching right now because I'm about to tell you what your gift is. So my mom, when I was in college this spring, which I just graduated in August, as a lot of you all know, I am alum for the sorority Delta Zeta, and my mom, I have all these like sweatshirts and other memorabilia and t-shirts, and my mom loves that kind of stuff. I was a cheerleader in high school and middle school, basically almost my whole life, adolescent life. I was a cheerleader, so my mom got like cheerleader mom sweatshirts and stuff. So she's like, I asked her if she would like one that says like Delta Zeta mom, and she was like, yes, please. So we would look through some of her older sweatshirts that she doesn't wear anymore that she would wear if it was, you know, embroidered. So I got her, I went to a place nearby and I got it embroidered for her. I got her a few other things too, and this is her last thing. So everything's wrapped under the tree. This is just the last thing on my list of what to get her. Perfect timing nonetheless. Oh, here's that stain, by the way. Can you see it? It's actually not that bad. It's not even coming up on camera. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Not too big of a deal, but at least it's out of the landfill, going to somebody else that will wear it and appreciate it. That's my favorite part about reselling, is knowing that these items a little bit more life in them than just going straight to the landfill. There's so much stuff wasted in America alone that if I can do my little bit of whatever to save some things from ending up just rotting away, I'm gonna do it. And even though it's had a stain on it, someone still wanted it. So I'm gonna use this mailer. I ordered mine off of Mercari. I talked about that in my last video as well. I kind of spread around where I get my poly mailers from, because sometimes it's more expensive if I get them online elsewhere. But then I also do like to support smaller businesses that sell poly mailers. Okay, we're finally on to the last order, which is this Free People Milan like velour velvety sweatshirt. I actually got this in a different color and I ended up selling it to Plato's Closet. Next time, if you want to see like my hands doing all of the shipping, I can do that. I just do I was trying to figure out how to put my camera down, and then I was like, I'm just gonna talk to the camera. Then you could hear me better, and it's more vlog style, I guess. So for my next ship with me, I can do that, switch up the angles. So now I'm gonna head out and get my mom's gift, go to the post office. It's 2:12 p.m. My nail popped off. What a shocker. It's done that like in every video. It's like a tradition now. So I'm gonna nail this. I'm gonna put it back on. And then we're gonna head out to, I keep wanting to say the thrift store. I don't need to go to the thrift store. I wanna go to pick up my mom's gift, drop off packages, and go to Dunkin' because I'm really craving Dunkin'. I haven't bought coffee in the past few days. I've just been making it at home, as I should. We're gonna switch to the vlog cam, which is my phone. I'll see you on my way to getting the stuff.
Woo! Victory Screech! You guys, it's so cute. Oh, she's gonna love it. Look at that! It's so adorable. Oh, I know she's gonna love it. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure the guy that checked me out was, he went to my high school. He was, I think, a year or two older than me. I think he played baseball. So random, and I'm very sorry if that sounds weird. I just was like, you look so familiar. I didn't tell him that, but I was like, wait, I know you from somewhere. Probably high school, because that's the city I'm in right now. Kind of weird. It's like seeing like I'm gonna totally quote Mean Girls. It's like seeing a dog or a cat walk on its hind legs. Is that what she says in that movie? Anyways, let's go get some coffee. Hi everyone, so I'm home now. I got my coffee and I picked up my mom's gift, as you saw, and I mailed my packages. So I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas day 10, which is crazy. I'll see you then. Bye.